Normally, this is not the first time I'm coming here. We came here issuing forms for bursaries. We had our campaign again here. Today, there are only two colleagues. Monga nchini ni maita abantu baisaransire kurumambiga. Etwalenge sameta mukwerero mati. Nyansaki. Koigora mache ayale tuaroset no mheshimiwa Sonya. Mheshimiwa, congratulations. Because mheshimiwa oyo musaba heshimiwa bane bonds 45 embaete bosetwe wana na barabunga ki enko ba chibes 27 million for every ward. Binte bimbia lengo rokale Kere ward for 45, we gave them 27 million. Bagachora ninki batagete gokora. Amache arosi. Epara erosi. Enyagitali erosi. And I'm happy to report. Aigalero. Omweshimiwa eno. Kando ne contractor tu abwatu basi ya kwetu. Kangaji para chonsi kiele. Lakini Nyasaye nawanja kuanziromo tinyogocha okonyoranga twakolero mwakoyo torole chipara chons ne project chons kyalengoro kyarosi. Mheshimiwa Sonya amura morona no muorora no muwakomya otemire nonekero maliujale gali assembly ngoikara asige to isaransa abantu bandi batayisana gitwisaransa na barabu onyora inji bagendete kubanga nanyara kumanya namanya ko tanenche yane abantu ababwena ndakete ntebeiga erebrali hey erega eyumuleire ase bitabu byeki bye count erete mpaka abana ime bagasomera muronje ngenjere manyanga omuntu agachete erebrali no mujumbare omujumbe wekiama kayudye omuntu oyo naaka yes omuntu wetera chiproxy chiaye ategete tumwaka nchibes chiakanirege chonspi kangere braliere abantu abuna bwa buyigwete babange mpaka no emambya ngabana abajenzi bako genda okora maandamano abo ale peaceful baraba alise dinga bakoleta abantu ime banse frugu baibe binte town. I want to give this warning. Ayekoro mujumbe oromo sacha kamili injugo sadia bintu bya banteta oni maya komani. And I want to warn the young people who have been hired by these called members of parliament that you think you can turn the table. People are demonstrating because you voted yes. And these are the same people who have been around the president, lying to the president how they are in control of Kisii. You went and voted yes against the will of the people. We want to warn you, if people they are demonstrating tomorrow, it will be peaceful. We will not entertain any element of unruly or to disrupt or to ban or to break into people's business or government premises. I'm told the county commissioner, you know about this. The county commander, I want to know if you know about this. If you know it, because you have been giving these people security. And these people, they stand in the morning, they come pick police vehicles, walk around in a convoy. We want to invite you tomorrow. Come to Kisii. Try to burn down any business. Try to break into any property. We have enough people to handle you, be it a police officer, be it a county commissioner, be it anybody. We will not look back as our county goes to the dogs. I'm happy for the young man who said here, we rather die rather than living on our knees. Kwa hivyo ndugu zangu, wacha kujaribu. Kama watu wanaandamana kwa sababu wako na uchungu, na tunasema kwamba watu waandamane kwa amani, wakichoka warudi nyumbani. Serikali, I'm happy that Mheshimiwa Ruto amesikia maandamano ya wananchi, mpaka ametuma all his cabinet home. Those same cabinet, some of them were busy looking around for my papers. They went even to the university, getting copies of all my tests and certificates. Until the other day when now they have been sent home, walitoa hiyo file chini ya hiyo drawer, ameenda nayo nyumbani. I want to tell you, my brother, go use that file to lit fire in your house.
Anguke nayo.